my everyday summer makeup tutorial. I'm on this beautiful beach. Let's get started. We're starting off with this Garnier Skin Active BB Cream. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. So this whole vacation, I've been keeping kind of like a tally of things that I wanted to say about the island. And I think I'm going to say those now. A, it's super buggy. Another thing is that the lava rock is so beautiful. And it's everywhere, like most of the beaches are lava rock. It's so pretty. I'm going to start setting my face with my Ulta Press Powder. Another thing is that there's abandoned cars everywhere, which is so weird. I don't know why. And it's funny because we just did a project in art of like abandoned cars. And you had to put them in like any place you wanted to, and I put mine on a beach, so it's just kind of funny because I'm on a beach and there's a bunch of like abandoned cars everywhere. Okay, next I'm going to contour with my Too Faced Chocolate de Soil. Another thing I wanted to say is that it is so hilly here. It's insane. So everywhere you go getting to a beach, you have to go up to go down. And just this little neighborhood that we're in, our rental house is in, it's like a 4-minute drive from the neighborhood road, and it's straight down. It's such a scary drive. And then another thing that's a bummer is there's just bog everywhere, volcanic fog. So we haven't really been able to see the sun a bunch. No sunsets, no sunrises. It's just fog all the time. It's still so beautiful though. I'm gonna do a little blush. Now for eyebrows, I'm using my Ulta Brow Expert. Now for highlight, I'm using the Dior Nude, and I'm putting that on my cheekbones and on my nose. I'm going to finish off with just some mascara to keep it super natural. Here's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please, please, please make sure to check out my other Hawaii videos to see more of this beach and more of this beautiful island. This one's gonna come get me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha.